So it was so hot today that I decided it was a good day to go to town. So Tiana and I went over to Surplus City, which is the same as what used to be the old Army surplus stores. And I got a load, man. I mean, they got things there that a month ago they didn't have. The biggest thing is the DA back pad. For a long time we've been trying to use Scotch-Brite pads on our DAs, and there was no way to attach it. So we were using silicone and attaching the pads to the back of the DA. Well, now there's a loop latch system that's put out by Mirka, I believe it is, and it comes with a Velcro latch system. It also comes with the gray Scotch-Brite and 320, 500, and 800 grit paper. All this for 10 bucks. I also got a roll of the red Scotch-Brite that's 20 feet long for $29. And I got an ammo vest, and it holds most of my ammo, but not that one. I also got a handle for my uncle's throwing hatchet that I've had for 20 years that he left me when he died. After thousands of times throwing this hatchet at a tree, there was finally a crack that was starting to develop in the handle of it. A lot of bits, magnetic bits, springs, cut off wheels, sanding disc, buffing disc, Bondo, Lucas, upper cylinder. Well, I thought I got, oh, okay, it has injector cleaner also. So anyhow, this is going to be great for us to use for putting a dull surface on the boats. Well, that's about it.